We have got a rectangle here. We have got a rectangle, and this rectangle has given its dimensions in terms of x. Then they ask us to calculate the area of this rectangle in terms of x. They want us to find the area in terms of x. So this means we have to just use the formula of calculating area of a rectangle. So area of a rectangle is length multiplied by width. So length multiplied by width. So what is the length? The length in this case is x plus 2, and the width in this case is x minus 4, right? So we just have to do with these brackets. Let us remove the brackets. So what did this means? Usually I usually cite everything in everything in the first bracket must multiply every member in the second bracket. So to start with x, like this, like this. Then let us go to 2. 2 have got another unique way. Goes like this, goes like this. All right. Now, what are we saying in this situation? We are saying, let's start with the red one. X must multiply every member of the second bracket. Okay? Plus 2 multiplying every member of the second bracket. Now let us remove the brackets. 2 x times x, we get x squared. X times minus 4 is minus 4x. X times, 2 times x is plus 2x. 2 times minus 4 is minus 8. Alright, now let's go down. Next step is just adding up the like terms. We have some like terms here. So let us add the like terms. X squared remain the same, right? Minus 4x plus 2x is minus 2x minus 8. Alright, this is the answer. And there are no units, so you just write units. We just write units. So this is the first solution. Let's go to the second solution, or the second part of the question. So now the question asks us to show that it reduces 2, given that the numerical value of area is equal to 4 square centimeters, right? So we have to use the same criteria as if we want to find area. So we say x squared minus, because we've already did this, so we're using the answer, the answer for A here, minus 2x minus 8. They say what is the numerical value of the area? The numerical value of the area is 4, right? So now I want this side to have a 0, so I'm saying x squared minus 2x minus 8. If I take this positive 4 to left hand side of the equal sign, it became negative 4, and here we remain with a 0. So we are saying x squared minus 2x minus 8 minus 4 is minus 12 is equal to 0. In bracket, this has been shown. This has been shown. So in bracket, this is our answer. Right, let's go to the next part of this equation, of this question, which says hence or otherwise solve the equation. Solve the equation. So how are we going to? I need a lot of space, so I'm going to take everything off because I need much space here. I need much space here. So here we are saying we need to solve the equation x squared minus 2x minus 12 is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. We have to use the quadratic formula, which says x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac. This is all over 2a. Okay, what is the value of, what are the values for substitution? A, B, C. This is what I do always. Alright, the value of A is the coefficient of x squared, so A is 1. B is the coefficient of x is minus 2. C is coefficient, is the number without a non, so it's what? It's 12. This is our C. So let us substitute these values into the quadratic formula. Right? B, we have a minus already here, but this B has a minus plus or minus square root of minus 2 squared minus 4 bracket. What is the value of A is 1. What is the value of C? The value of C is minus 12. All over 2 times the value of A, 1. Alright? Now let us remove the brackets. Negative times negative, we get a positive 2 plus or minus square root of minus 2 squared is a positive 4. Negative 4 times negative 12 is a positive 48 all over 2. Right? Now we want to add here 2 plus or minus square root of 4 plus 48 is 52 all over 2. Let us separate it now. We can separate this. Can separate the plus or minus. I start with the positive plus square root of 52 over 2 or 2 minus square root of 52 over 2. Alright, now we need to use our calculators. 2 plus, we want to, can you put it? Now we want to use this calculator. To get the answers. So very, very simple. Very, very simple. I say this, say 2 plus square root of 52. I usually say open bracket 2 plus square root of 52. We close the bracket, divided by 2. We get the answer, which is 4.61. 4.61. Or I want to do the negative side, which means open bracket 2 minus square root of 52, close the bracket, answer divided by 2. We get the answer negative 2.6. 6, 1. So these are the values of x, the two possible values of x. So this is done and tested.